we're Ash and Stacey. Join us as we travel full-time in our self-built Overland truck. Hi guys, so this video is going to be a little bit different today. So we've been on the hunt for a portable hot water and shower system for our smaller camper, and whilst we were at the National 4x4 show we came across these guys, Nomadia, and their hot water system and shower. We got speaking with the guys and we liked the product and were blown away by the simplicity of it, and so we're going to do a review. This portable water heater and shower system is an all-in-one instant setup with no assembly required. It's got a built-in lithium battery that when it's fully charged has a shower time of 200 minutes. It's rapid heating and gets up to temperature in 3 seconds and allows the water to increase by 40 degrees in one go with a maximum temperature of 70 degrees. The pump's water flow is 9 litres per minute and the shower head's water flow is 2.5 litres per minute. Each 450 gram camping gas canister can provide hot water for up to 80 minutes. So the premium version of this product comes with this handy little carry bag. It's got loads of pockets so you can store all of your shower accessories, and as this runs on gas canisters you can also store your gas canister in one of these. Right, let's get this out of its bag and have a look what it's got to offer. So as you can see, it's lightweight. I'm a weakling and I can lift that out pretty easily. So on the front of here, you've got your screen. So this has got a built-in battery, which is rechargeable and also works as a power bank, so you can charge your phone if you need to. And also it's got the dial for the water temperature on the front. And then round at the back is where all of the gubbins are for you to be able to set it up as a shower. So in the back here you've got your submergible water pump that can be dropped into any water source, and you've got your shower head as well. As you can see, it packs away nice and neatly in the back. So you've got your submersible pump connected to a hose already that's really flexible, so you can just drop this into your water source. And then you've got another flexible silicone hose that connects to the shower head, and we've just set up here for the purpose of this video. So this runs on your portable camping gas, so you can just get that from anywhere, and then this connects into the shower system right here. So now that the gas canister is all set up and fixed to the system, we will show you how this works. So to turn this on, before you start, you need to charge it up. This is the charging port here. So once that's charged up, to turn it on, you just press this button and hold it. And once it's beeped, it's all set up. So on the display, you've got the ambient outside temperature here, and you've got the water temperature over here, and then just here you've got the battery power. So once you've turned it on and turned the dial to the ignition symbol down here, within 3 seconds your water will be hot enough and you'll be able to use it. So for this demonstration, we've just used a washing up bowl for our water source, but you can drop this into a stream, you can drop it into a water tank, you can use it when you're camping in a tent, you can use it when you're camping in a camper van. We just think it's really good, really versatile, and so far we're pretty impressed with it. So this also comes with an instruction booklet and a charging cable. So I'll drop the link in the description to the Nomadia website, or just head over yourself.